Today we're going to be eating fish. Move, 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 move. Okay, so kids, stop it. No, I can't sit here. Move, move. Okay, fine. Hey, it's nice to sit with you, but I don't like my arm under your armpit. Wee, wee, wee.
Oh, naked touch naked. Oh, nice.
Wee. Get those off.
It's oil. Hey, Flynn, it's oil.
What's your
I would want to touch that, I tell you.
What's this?
Wow, you're masculine. Oh, and I couldn't see. Oh my God! What did I go in?
You touched the fish.
Really? Where? Not to dig in like that. Oh, boo, I don't eat fish like that. What is that?
Eat it.
You have to wash. It's not proper way to eat like that. Wow, you look yummy.
I'm gonna get some
Please
more.
don't serve me like that.
You.
Don't have my toy.
Woo! Okay.
I guess you
Here
guys
you
are
go.
enough, huh? Don't do it. Oh, yummy. Ooh. Smells so...
Careful.
Careful? Smells so careful?
So hot, isn't it?
Hey, finger eating? No, this is not for fingers. Yeah, at least you have to get some chopsticks.
What's this? The head? Where's the eye?
You're looking for an eye? Let me see. Where?
I want to eat the eye.
Where? I
Eye.
think it's ginger. It's hiding. No! Don't poke eye. Oh no! Ew!
Eat me. Wow, the eye's here. It's
I guess
so
we guys
scary.
We have to have to take a bath.
I don't care.
Oh, I can actually see myself.
Is
It's
this
like a
not fun?
mirror. No, it's for human. You guys touch everywhere. Oh no! Ew!
Yeah, I
And-
look so
and this one
weird.
Who are you?
Great
And some
stuff.
dish. Oh no!
Okay, Hans as well.
No, I'm not an ingredient. Oh, everywhere. Don't spoil food. No, don't spoil those ginger stuff. Wow.
Here on you.
I don't think you guys look
and
good.
some on you.
No! You guys have to go wash.
This
And
this one goes here.
Hi, buddy. We look weird, I guess. I don't even want to see.
I'm gonna put some on me.
You have some bad smell. That's why you have to get some ginger on you. I guess you need some more seasoning. You're not yummy enough, Crystal. I am not yummy enough. You ask Anna. I'm so yummy. She likes me.
What?
so much.
What?
Oh, what happened to your neck? Hans? Huh?
I am blub blub. Hello, I am Hans the fish. Blub blub.
I guess it's time for the human to dig in something already digged in. Why a piece is missing? Oh no. You guys are fish? I don't want to eat fish anymore from now on. Because that record my memory of you guys. Don't play with fish! And Phoebe, you're eating with chopsticks, not fingers. This is not finger licking good stuff. Oh, lucky you guys are dosed. Oh, I don't want to see. Oh, you couldn't see. Oh,
I can see everything.
This is spring onion, and this one is ginger neck. Oh, your neck must be so smiley. And then you, on your pants. Oh,
I'm Mr. Ginger.
you eat ginger? Are you talking about ginger?
Mr. Ginger.
Mr. Ginger, do you
Yeah.
walk? Gingerbread man stuff. Oh,
What about me?
I don't want to see. This is a good dish, but this is already baked in. Oh,
Get the eye out.
can you get Phoebe? Can you get some rice out?
Sure.
Okay. While waiting, I have to get rid of all the. But where? This is.
I'm watching you.
Oh, Phoebe's watching us. Ew. Let me see. Hey, oh, I don't want to touch your muscles. Oh, get up, Flynn. Get up. Rice is coming. I guess the human has to dig in, but not us. And this is a mess now. I tell you, this is. Oh,
Rice coming.
oh, rice. Oh, good. I love rice.
More.
Mm,
Lots of rice.
nice. I guess the rice could go with this Christoph dish and fake Flynn dish. What? What? With this one?
It's really
This is not a spoon.
Careful, careful. Okay.
Wow, who ate this one? Hey, where's all the... Huh. I don't want to see. Okay, wait, maybe next time the human has to take it. Say bye. Say bye.
I am Mr. Ginger. Remember me. I'm Mr. Ginger. Yum, yum,
Oh no, their mouth is so big.
Not
And fish, remember the fish? You won't see it anymore because it's no yummy hand again. Oh my god. You guys have to dismiss. Humans coming. And this Phoebe is eating. Bye. Keep licking. No!
Keep looking our videos.
Yummy.
See you next time.
Yummy.
Keep looking and eating our
If
videos.
I see your nose, I don't want to eat fish anymore.
I look like
Every
a peacock.
one of us is horrible.
I look like a peacock.
What?
I'm a peacock.
Bye.